Guys, Sankesh here from Gadget4Ever Back with another video, and in this video I'm going to show you some holiday deals for building a PC. So in this video I'm going to show you some builds which I created by PCPartpicker. So this is a $500 build and a $1,000 build. So let's get started with the $500 build.
So the build starts strong with an Intel Core i3 6100. Then we have a Gigabyte GA H100M motherboard. Then we have Corsair Vengeance LPX 8GB stick, because one stick is enough, so we have future expandability later on because it's a DDR4 2400MHz memory. Then we have WD Blue 1TB 7200 RPM hard drive, which is also still upgradable if you want to. Then we have an GeForce GTX 1050 Ti from MSI. Then we have an Thermaltake Versa H15 motherboard case. Then we have a EVGA 450 volt 880 plus bronze certified power supply, which all of these total cost around $476.71.
So that was the $500 build. It's a mid-range PC for people who want to start gaming. Then now let's get to the $1,000 build.
So this build starts with an Intel Core i5 6500. Then we have an Cooler Master Hyper 212 Evo cooler. Then we have an Asus B150M motherboard. Then we have an Corsair Vengeance LPX 16GB RAM kit. So this RAM kit consists of two 8GB sticks on DDR4 2133MHz memory. Then for storage we have two drives. One is an SSD and one is a hard drive. So the hard drive is a WD Blue 1TB 7200 RPM hard drive. Then we have an PNY 128GB SSD. Then for video card we have an MSI GeForce GTX 1070, the 8GB version. Then for the case we have an NZXT S340, the black edition. Then for the power supply we have an Corsair 500V power supply. All of these total up to $988.
So you have seen this $1,000 build and a $500 build. But there's something that a lot of people want, like a dream build. And here am I with that dream build.
So I would like to call this build as Dominator, and it is a beast. So the brains of this build is an Intel Core i7 6950X 10-core processor. And for the cooler we have an Corsair H100i liquid cooler. Then for the motherboard we have an Asus X99 Deluxe 2 motherboard. Then for the memory we needed the top of the line one, as this is a Dominator build. So we got 128GB of Corsair Dominator Platinum DDR4 2800MHz memory. Next was storage. So we got 4 drives in this. We have one hard disk and 3 SSDs. So the hard disk is a WD Barracuda 4TB hard disk. Then for the SSD we got Intel 1050 series 512 PCI SSD. Then 2 Samsung 850 Pro SSDs 512GB. Then for the graphics card we have 2 GTX 1080s Founders Edition from EVGA in SLI. Also you need to purchase an SLI bridge separately, links down below if you want to purchase one. Then for this case we got an NZXT X340, again because it looks cool on the white version with this build. And the power supply we got is an 1200 volt power supply from Corsair. And all of these total up to 5880. And this is a beast of a gaming and editing rig. I would say to buy this PC to anyone who is interested in spending a lot of money on buying a PC.
So that's all for this video, guys. If you guys enjoyed it, drop a like on this video so it's helpful for me. And go and get subscribed so you can see more videos like this, and comment down below which was your favorite build. It was the $500 build, the $1,000 build, or the $5,400 build. Let me think, what is it? And that's all for this video, guys. This is Sankesh here from Gadget4Ever signing off. You guys have a great day. Bye bye now.